Welcome to the latest Russound unboxing video. We're here to show you our AVA 3.1, one of our most popular products. It's a mini AVR. We're going to go through what you get in the box when you purchase this wonderful product. I'm Colin Clark, the VP of Products at Russound, here with Robbie Shepardson from our tech support team. And please, if you like our unboxing videos, make sure to like and subscribe so you'll see more of them every time we put one out for you. Let's get started, Robbie. Let's take a look at the AVA 3.1.
Yeah, let's get into the unboxing of this unit here. So this is the AVA 3.1, second in the AVA series, other than the 2.1. The only difference between the two AVAs, the 2.1 and the 3.1, is the additional center channel on the 3.1. So first out of the box, we have the manual, very informational, answers a lot of questions and concerns. If not, you can always reach out to us at dealer supports for any additional questions. So just looking at the back of the unit, we have the speaker connector, which comes with a removable speaker connector. Very easy to connect and remove. But the biggest feature on this unit would be the HDMI input, which is for ARC, and it gives you the ability to use CEC control with your television, which is a big difference.
Meaning you can use your TV as remote. You don't need to use anything else. Whatever your customers are using now works right out of the box with the AVA. Perfect.
Absolutely.
Well, let's take a look at what else we have in the box. I see a full-feature remote control. Speaking about this isn't the little credit card style remote you see with a lot of other products. This has really some great buttons on it for DSP. I see bass, treble, a movie mode, a music mode. A lot of things you can do with remote, and also I see the Bluetooth button.
Yeah, Bluetooth 5 built into this unit. Very easy to do the pairing to your either phone or tablets. You just hold down the pair button on that unit. It'll show up on your device. We'll pair within seconds.
Wonderful. That's it. And we're also throwing in, I see, HDMI cable. That's a 1 meter HDMI cable in the box, so you can hook it up right as soon as you open it up. See our IR sensor. That's probably important when you can hide this product behind a TV.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
discreetly as well.
Yeah. Wonderful. And again, your power cord and that removable speaker connector you mentioned, I see here in the box. There's a lot of things in this box. Next, little wedge mount.
Wedge mounts, yeah, along with keyholes, but the wedge mount, just 2 screws to mount to the wall. This will slide directly onto that wedge mount.
Interesting. Okay, I see that. And I see there's also keyhole slots on the back to make that easy to mount anywhere you'd want to.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Great. Well, it looks like everything you need in the box is right here. Set this up and make it easy to improve the sound to your customers' TVs and any install you have. Looks like a great addition to the Russound line. Again, like and subscribe if you like this video and get more content, and please follow all of our unboxing videos. Thank you for the support of Russound and our products.